What's up, YouTube? It's Casey here with Casey and Sons Cards. Got another break from our friends over at Certified Sports Cards. This is two of the NBA boxes. Got them over Christmas when Max was running his discount. I think they were 20% off each one using the code HOLIDAY. So go ahead, and if you've watched my videos in the past, you know I don't normally open the packs. I just go through, show you what's in the box in case you're interested in picking up some cards from Max and seeing what he puts in the packaging. A lot of peanuts in this one. A lot of peanuts. Hit the jackpot there with peanuts. So let's look at the checklist first. Actually, what we'll do is we'll look at his business card first. For those of you who are new to this and to Max, Max is at CertifiedSportsCards.com. Make sure you reach out to him before you order so he can give you the new customer discount code. I believe it's 20% off. The boxes come in NBA, NFL, in multi-pack. And MLB. 4 different boxes that he sells. They're $39.99 before you get the discounts. And each one he does checklist. This is 22 of 25 featured hits. Panini Prism Luka Doncic. Rookie autograph. That's good. And then these are the other hits he puts in the pack out of the 25, not necessarily in our box, but it is in one of the V boxes. Letter from Max. So if you've ordered from him before, don't forget the pre-order codes. You can get 15% off. The new customers direct message, there's the 20% off that I was talking about. So make sure you reach out to Max. It's a great product. It's a great price point. These are the unopened packs he's put in. We've got a Optic and an 18-19 NBA Hoops. Don't believe they are hobby. I believe they're retail packs this time. I'm not positive. So let's go ahead and look at the hits that he's put in this pack here. If I can get this open. So what we have is Chandler Hutchinson, Prism rookie card. We have Edmund Summer, Pacers, Prism. Oscar Robertson. Looks like some sort of, it's a Prism. And then Road to the Finals, Bradley Beal, number 2, 2018. And then we have, oh wow, look at this. This is a very, very nice card. Kawhi Leonard rookie card from Panini Marquee 2012-2013. That's very nice. Thanks for including that, Max. Appreciate that very much. Next one we have a rookie card of Kevin Knox, numbered to like 99 there. 25 out of 99. Shipped it in a one-touch. Then we have a DeAndre Ayton, Phoenix Suns rookie card. And we have Alan Krabby Hoops Inc. And this is 1819. It is not numbered that I can see. It's a sticker auto as well, NBA Hoops product. So there you go. That's what you have there. That's what we got in the first box. I'll go ahead and open up the second one. Again, 2 packs. Looks like same 2 packs, and I'm good with that. I like Optic quite a lot, and I do put at least one set together of NBA hoops. So we got those on open packs. Again, the checklist is the same, or it should be, since these are both MLB. This is number 12. So it's the same series and checklist. So let's see what we got in this one. We have a Kevin Knox rated rookie Donruss card. We have a Slam Dunk Marquee 12-13 LeBron James. And we have a DeAndre Ayton freshman fabric numbered to 99 auto fabric. That's pretty nice. That's going to do it. Just a quick recap. I got the auto of DeAndre Ayton and the auto of Alan Krabby. And then I have the rookie of Ayton in Donruss. I have Kevin Knox numbered to 99. I have Kawhi Leonard rookie card from Marquee. I have a LeBron James, a Bradley Beal numbered to 2018. Oscar Robertson Prism. A Kevin Knox Donruss rookie, another one. So those are my Knoxes. And Edmund Sumner and Chandler Hudson rookie card. Both obviously Prisms. So that's it. If you're interested, again, that's CertifiedSportsCards.com. That's Max. He'll take good care of you. Great customer service there. Enjoy doing business with him. And that's going to wrap this one up. I am looking to put together another video. I got some Black Friday packs. I want an auction. They're multi-sport packs, so I'm going to crack those. And an Archives Active Signature Series in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.